guys, so today's video is going to be on how I achieved this look inspired by one of my favorite nail channels, Miss Naio Nails. So yeah, that's my take on her design, and if you guys want to see me attempt to do this, please continue watching. Alright you guys, and I'm also using the time-lapse filter on my phone. This is something I just figured out I had, and now I'm just trying to see how to use it. So this is going to be a little bit of a fast video. So I've already buffed and dehydrated my nails, so I'm just going to apply the base coat, and I'm working 2 nails at a time because I found it easier with the poly gel. Now I've really been enjoying this poly gel. I think I'm gonna go ahead and buy some more from this brand specifically, but I also want to get into doing acrylic nails, so eventually I'm gonna buy that kit, and then just let me know if you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this from me. I really am digging doing nails. I think it is very fun, and it's an artistic outlet that goes along with the knowledge that I have. Being a master cosmetologist, we learned how to sculpt nails and everything, so I just feel like this is a fun way for me to be artistic and also utilize my cosmetology license. I'm not gonna talk you through this entire video. I'm just gonna let y'all watch and see how it goes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I may come back towards the end and talk to you guys a little bit more. So I'm just showing you my nails before I've painted on the flames or any gel top coat. I actually think this is a cute look on its own. But yeah, I'm going to show you my other hand so you can see what design we're going for. So I'm going to paint those flames on these 2 fingers and we're going to get right into it. So I'm using just some regular acrylic paint to paint on the flames, and I'll just let you guys watch me do that. make sure that I put a nice thick layer of top coat on all of my nails, on the top and under, just so that that design is nice and clear. And once I am done baking everything, I'm just gonna wipe everything down with some alcohol and apply a little cuticle oil, and then our look is completed, you guys. Alright, you guys, so that's it. That's the end of the video. I am so glad that you guys watched it all the way to the end. And if you enjoyed this and would like to see more videos like this, make sure you leave a like and leave it in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, honeys.